In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use and explaining what ReciMe is. Now, what it is it's an app that's designed to make cooking at home very easy. It helps you actually meal plan and find different recipes just easily in the app and just share them with people. And all you're going to do when you get the app, it's completely no cost. You click on continue, and then you basically want to select your goals, whether it be to eat healthy, save money, or just improve your cooking skills. In this case, I'm trying to eat healthy, so I'm going to click on continue, and it basically can do some background on how it got to know you, and you can actually choose which category or how many times you cook per week, and you can basically just put down these options so it can really customize the meal templates depending on how you eat and how you would like to eat using this app. And once you've actually just completed the survey thing, you can actually see it'll basically set the app for you. In doing so, it's going to basically give you a rundown. It does not cost money for the first 7 days, and you can click on continue. You can get free meals every day. In doing so, it'll just give you notifications, but you can see right here, you can click on like your first recipe. These are basically cookbooks of a variety of different recipes that you may have added within this app. You can add them from the browser, camera, paste or text, or just write from scratch if you want to write your own recipe. You can see right here, I've searched for cookie recipe. I'm just going to click on this, and you can basically import the recipe just like I did so here. And once you've done that, it'll basically just scan for all the ingredients that you may need and just simplify the recipe as much as humanly possible just in this app. And when you click on save, you can see right here, it will be saved within your recipe book just like so. And you can see if we exit out, it'll just be under the dinner one, and you can actually create new cookbooks just on this page like so. But it's very easy to do, and you can easily just view all of your favorite recipes and just save them. It's basically a collection of recipes just within this app, and you can continue doing that and make a grocery list for those as well. Just a bunch of different apps and different recipes that you can use within this app. You can see right here, this is my current plan. I have nothing saved, no recipes saved, but you can actually get a lot more recipes if you subscribe. But you can basically meal plan just right here by adding your own meals if you wanted to, or you can add meals just from this app. And if you want to view stuff on your profile, you can click on more,